Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we are diving into a recipe that just feels like that first warm day after a long winter. We're going to walk through how to make what might just be your new favorite breakfast, spring thaw honey and lemon ricotta toast. This isn't just about a list of ingredients. The whole idea behind it is to capture a feeling. It's described as a bright, cozy breakfast that celebrates melting snow, longer days, and honey as the star. So it's not just food, it's about making a moment that really tastes like spring is finally here. All right, the secret to making this so easy and delicious is how we approach it. We're going to break it down into its core components. We'll make two simple elements first and then bring them together. Trust me, this ensures every single layer is absolutely perfect. Okay, let's look at our ingredient teams. For the toast base itself, you'll need a good rustic sourdough, something sturdy enough to hold up. Then a half cup of ricotta, the zest from half a lemon, and just a pinch of sea salt. Simple, right? Now for that honeyberry drizzle, we're talking a half cup of mixed berries, a solid 3 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and just a little splash of water. Getting these measurements just right is really going to give you that perfect flavor balance we're aiming for. So, with all our ingredients lined up, it's time to actually craft these elements. We're going to kick things off with that warm, vibrant berry drizzle. It's kind of the heart and soul of this whole dish. So for the drizzle, just combine your berries, honey, lemon juice, and that tiny splash of water in a small saucepan. Now, the key here is to warm it all gently. Keep the heat low for just about 3 to 5 minutes. That gentle heat is what lets the berries soften up and release all their amazing juices without just turning into mush. You want to keep it a little chunky. That texture is everything. And while those berries are getting all cozy on the stove, you can whip up the spread. This part couldn't be easier. Seriously, just grab a small bowl and mix your half cup of ricotta with the zest of half a lemon and that little pinch of salt. That's it. It's a completely no-cook step that brings this cool, creamy, tangy element to the party. And of course, we need our foundation. Go ahead and toast your sourdough slices until they are perfectly golden brown and nice and crisp. This crunchy base is so important for holding up all the amazing toppings we've just made. All right, all our parts are ready to go. Now for the fun part, the final assembly. We're going to build this thing layer by delicious layer. And the order is actually pretty important to get that perfect mix of warm and cool, crunchy and creamy. First things first, we start with our foundation. Layer 1 is just that beautiful, warm, golden sourdough straight from the toaster. It's the perfect canvas for what's coming next. Up next, layer 2, the lemon ricotta spread. Go ahead and slather a nice, generous layer of that cool, zesty ricotta mixture all the way to the edges of the warm toast. That contrast in temperature between the bread and the cheese, oh, it's just fantastic. And now for the star of the show, layer 3. Just spoon that warm, chunky honeyberry drizzle right over the top of the creamy ricotta. You want to see those gorgeous jewel-toned berries and their syrup just cascade over that bright white spread. Okay, so you could totally stop here and have an amazing breakfast. But if you want to take it from great to absolutely unforgettable, we can add a few simple finishing touches. Think of these as the final little details that make all the difference. So what are our options here? Well, you could add a final little drizzle of extra honey to really amp up that floral sweetness. Or a sprinkle of fresh mint or thyme can add this surprising, wonderful aromatic note. And a scattering of crushed pistachios or almonds, that gives you that little bit of crunch that ties it all together. So when you take that first bite, what do you actually get? It's this perfect harmony. You've got the floral sweetness of the honey, the creamy tang from the ricotta, that bright pop of citrus from the lemon, and a cozy warmth from the berries. It really is the taste of spring on a single slice of toast. The source material calls this first flight honey toast, which I just love. It's like a bee's first flight in the springtime. So I'll leave you with a question to think about. If you were to create a breakfast that perfectly captured a season, what would you name it?